guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toshi and today I'm going to be showing you all my jewelry collection that I have. So without any further talking, let's just go into the video. So the first thing that I have for you are my earrings. All the earrings that I have, I'm going to be showing you first of all. So the first earring that I have got are these earrings. I'll show you. I'll take out from the box and show you. So I got these earrings. Am I visible in the camera, guys? I need to adjust the camera a bit maybe. Yes. Okay, so these are the first earrings that I have got, and I got these from a local shop near my place. So yes, these are really lightweighted and really ethnic and nice and very sleek and very good looking. So these are the first earrings that I got. The other one are the jhumkis, again ethnic wear that I got again from the local shop near my place. So these are the ones, if you can see, are jhumkis. Then the other ethnic earring, the last ethnic earrings, no, not the last, the other ethnic earring that I got from the local market are these green ones, green and some goldenish work going on here, if you can see. And I really like these detailing here. If my camera is focusing, guys, see. So these are really nice. I really like them. These are the ones. Then I have got a few pieces for everyday wear maybe. This is like a everyday wear. I got this from Globus, like the star earrings. So yeah, these are the ones I got this for free on the shopping. Then I have got these from Shoppers Stop. This is a hot curry collection, and these were really in when I got these. So it's been a year or so, I guess now. So yeah, these are the ones. Then I have got okay, my hair are coming on in my eyes, guys. My hair are looking so bad. Why is that so? I think I need a haircut or something. Anyways, and then I got these earrings from Kulaba. These are really chic. Then I have these from Globus again. Then I have again from Globus these ones. It's been 2-3 years I got these. So yeah, these are really old earrings. These are the earrings that I will show you. Then I have got these ethnic and boho, very nice looking blue and metallic earrings. They look really nice when you wear them. I have worn them once, so yeah, these are the ones. Then I have with me are these small earrings. I really liked the butterfly in this, so I got these. Yes. Then I have got these earrings. So these are really nice looking, you can see. So yeah, these are the ones. Then I have these from Globus again. Yes. So yeah, these are the ones. I don't like them much, guys, on me. I don't know. So yeah, these are the ones. Then I have got some Shoppers. These ones. If you can see, these are the ones from Shoppers. Then I have from Kulaba. These are my favorite earrings. One of my favorite earrings. And you don't need to wear anything if you are wearing these earrings. They are a little heavy, guys, though. But anyways, I like them a lot. So yeah, these are the ones. Then I have some ear cuffs with me. These are the 3 ear cuffs with me. These and this I got from Kulaba, and in the middle this one I got from Max. So yes. Then I have this ring, if you can see, with wings in it. So this is like really in and nice. So I got this from Globus recently. Yes. And if you can see my earrings, these are the ones that I got. These are one of my favorite earrings, and I got these from Shoppers, I think a year back or so. Yes, I got these from Shoppers. And then I have two pair of neck pieces. This is the one that I got, if you can see. So this I got from Kulaba, and the other one also I got from Kulaba. this is the one. So this looks really nice, very boho kind of a thing. So yeah, I really like this one. And the last thing that I have got is a handcuff, which I got only for 60 rupees, and I think it's been a year or so I got this from a local shop nearby. So yeah, this is very nice, and nice detailing. So yes, these were all my jewelry that I got. So you can see, I mean, I don't wear a lot of jewelry though, but I really love collecting a lot of pieces. So yes, these were all the collected pieces of mine, and I just hope that you liked my video. If you do like my video, please subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I post a video, you can see it. And if you have any further request for any particular video, please let me know. I am surely gonna do that. And yes, so that was it for today. I just hope that you liked my video, and keep on watching till the next video. So yes, okay, then I'm gonna go, and yes, so bye.